Welcome back to some fantastic fun with Zeke. I got my bag. We are going on a hike. We are on some logs. We are on some logs. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Oh my god. Gorgeous. I put my Crocs in sport mode for this. Ignore my socks. You guys are going on my head mount too. Hold on. Okay. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ow. That one hurted. Oop. Oop. Oh, that log is completely mush. Oh wow, these flowers are so pretty. What are these? They look weird. Socks gotta come off. Like this. Really cool. We're going to somewhere, somewhere really special. Coming up here. Oh no. Mommy. That was a best spider web. Hi, Sai. You a good boy? You living in the creek? It's kind of deep right there, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Mochi's up here. You a good girl, Mo. Come on. Little pitter patters. He just wants to play. He's getting the zoomies. He's got the zoomies. This guy alive?
What is he?
He did. They're still out here in Crocs as well. These are my old Crocs. I've had these for about 4 years now. Still been wearing the same ones. That's actually wild. I believe these are about 4 years old now. This is so pretty. That was a little chipmunk. He just ran up that tree. Look at that rock wall. That bellboy is intense. Wow. Gotta fold my tripod back up. Hi, Mochi. Hi, Mochi. All right. We just came around that other bend back there. It should be coming up soon. Should be coming up soon. Oh, this looks squishy. You guys got a stick? I don't know what that was. Wow, it's like we're really in nature. Look at me go. I'm trying to find something special back here. I'm wondering where it is. Another crossing. Get to the other side. Oh, I gotta pee really bad. Those are pretty. When your Crocs, like when you get them wet or whatever, and they start to get that like chafing feeling like they're gonna give you a blister, it just means there isn't enough lubrication. You gotta hop back in the water and get that water all over him again. Come on, nice and lubed up. So this is just a little guy. He still got some force. Ooh. Ooh. What you doing, Mo? Hi, baby. Hello. Yo, so we made it to the second one. This one is deeper, bro. I kind of want to jump into it. Should I jump in? Gotta put my shirt back on. Excuse me. They have a stick. They have a stick. Ow! I just got poked in the eye. So, there's a little dot on the camera there. So we have made it to the scary part of this adventure. I'm just gonna let you guys see what's going on right here. I don't know how well my GoPro is even going to work in here, to be honest, but look at this. Yo, this thing is supposedly over 100 years old. Hopefully today is not the day that it collapses. Yeah. Yo, I think we need to come back when there's a little bit more light in the daytime. But whoa. Whoa. There's a little waterfall right here. Whoa. That looks deep. It is way too dark in here. Yo. Yo. This is really sketchy, but we're almost through the tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountains. Secret, secret, secret. That's all I can do because there'll be DMCA. Wow. Okay, we've almost made it out the other side. We're almost there. Yes, yes, yes. We survived. Survived the tunnel of doom. Ah. We survived. Ah. Wow. Ah. Back to normal serenity. No more dark, gloomy manhole. Another adventure log. Yay. Oop, oop. Oop, 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 oop. Okay, mate. There's a little spider webs right here. I gotta squeeze underneath my book bag. My book bag is thick. Book bag might be thick, but I'm thicker. There's another bend right here. We're about to go around. We're just exploring. That's slimy. This little area is cool. There's a nice cliff. Silas is going crazy behind me. Ah, that was sketchy. I almost had a spider crawl down from my head. Almost fell. We have been hiking for a while. This creek is real windy. This leads to Lake Erie eventually. We're just living the dream. Living the dream. Oh. We just checked the map while we were sitting on this big old rock right here. Oh, let me adjust my thingy. But we're only 2 bends away from the gigantic waterfall, and we're gonna be at the top, so it's gonna be super cool. So let's go. Let's keep going. Wow, this is just a vibe right here.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. We are still in a gorge, technically. You guys got a stick? You guys got a stick? Oh, Silas took the stick. Silas took the stick. He's running. He's running. We took his harness off because it was kind of messing with him a little bit. Good girl. I'm not going underneath another one of those because I got some spiders on me last time. Exactly my point. Look at that bad boy. Jesus. Jesus. This is a big one, mate. Oh, there's a honeybee down there. Aw. Are you injured? No. No. I'm sorry. I would help you, but I have to go. I feel so bad. I think we only have one more bend left until we're there. Oh my god, this is really slick. Excuse me. Oh, I gotta duck down real far. I can't see the bottom, so I don't know what's down there. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. I think we might have made it. We are pretty much here. Yo, this is crazy. Yo, we made it, boys. This is cool. I just almost fell. But luckily I saved myself. Wow, this is really cool, dude. Whoa! I don't know where they're going. They went around the rocks here. Let's see. What's back here? Okay. We were able to walk down from up there. And now we are here. Look at this. Someone built it to be a circle. Wow. Oh. Okay. I wanted to come up here. Wow. I wonder how deep it is. How many likes to get in? She made it back behind the waterfall. Look at that. That's super cool. So, we have made it here. And you know what that means. I have to go fill this up. That made me really cold. Now I'm really cold. But I know it will warm me up. The barks of Silas.
Have a taste. I don't care how this is 52% my daily value.
So this is my first time being to this one. We will be back because this was really cool. Okay. Now is the time for the hike back. I was gonna jump in one more time, but nah, I'm cold. I'm pretty cold. That was chilly. Mochi's over there getting a toy. All right, hike back. Just started the climb up. These are weird. Sai is such a little trooper, bro. Good boy. I found a stick to aid me on my quest to greatness. On a scale of 1 to cool, that was cool AF. He's still ready, bro. Dogs are up there. We're just continuing this way. Come on. Crocky, mate. This is a hike. Kind of just chilling. We made it back to the tunnel, and this looks way more ominous than before. I'll let you know. Golly. Let's go. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Ah, continue. Shoo. That was actually really fun. I like that. Good boy. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah. Ew, it's squishy. Ew. Man-made holes. Man-made holes. Man-made holes. Man-made holes. We made it back completely to where we started. Now we're just getting the dogs leashed up and we'll be going out. Yeah.